Hello YouTube, it's Gadgetmainia here with an unboxing of a Polaroid wireless keyboard. It's a full-size keyboard with the numerical touchpad. It's compatible with Windows Vista, XP 7 and 8 and Mac OS X. If I just lift it up and we've come to the keyboard, if I put that to one side, we've got some instruction manual and two AAA batteries. Put those to one side and just take this plastic off the keyboard wrapping. It's underneath, it's got all this plastic. In here's the wireless dongle. If I lift up here, that's where the two AAA batteries, which I'll just insert now, live. This has been an unboxing of a wireless Polaroid keyboard. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe.